Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Today I'm back with another easy peasy recipe for you. We are going to make roasted broccoli with peanut butter sauce. Now, peanut butter sauce is really a versatile one. I've already made many dishes. Even this roasted broccoli tastes so good. You can serve it as a side with your grilled meats or soups, or even enjoy it as a warm or a cold snack. So let's proceed to make this, and I'm sure you're going to love it too. It's a treat for peanut butter lovers. And I've already made the peanut butter at home and posted the video. You can check it out. The link will be shared in the description box and I button, because the homemade sauce is any day better than the store-bought ones. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box. Check it out. Take a baking tray and grease it liberally. Spray oil or spread it with a brush. Now this is blanched broccoli. When I buy it, I just blanch it and keep, as it gets discolored very fast. If you are not using on the same day, it's better to do this. Spread the florets in the tray. Spray some oil on them as well. Now season them with salt. Just salt will do, nothing else is required. This recipe is very simple. Preheat the oven while you are preparing this broccoli. Roast them for 10 to 12 minutes on high. Make sure you don't overcook them. Keep them crunchy. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. In a larger bowl, take 2 heaped tablespoons of peanut butter. Now this is homemade peanut butter. I'm sharing the link in the description box and I button. You can check it out. Remove it with the help of a small spoon. Now we'll add the other ingredients. Apple cider vinegar, 3/4 tablespoon. If you don't have this, you can use normal white vinegar. Dark soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon. If you don't have dark soy sauce, you can use 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now here we have sweet chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon of this. To replace this, if you don't have, you can use honey, 1 tablespoon plus 1/2 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Mix them together and use it. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. If you are using honey, add 1/2. And coconut milk, 6 to 7 tablespoons, or as required. When you mix together, you will know the consistency. Whisk all these ingredients together. Using a balloon whisk. Until they are well blended. There should be no lumps and the consistency should be like this, pouring consistency. Taste and check. If anything is required, you can adjust now. No salt is required in this because there is little salt already in the soy sauce and peanut butter, and that is sufficient. Now roast some sesame seeds for garnishing. Broccoli is done. Ensure to get the perfect texture. They should be done, but at the same time crunchy. Now transfer these roasted broccoli florets into a serving platter. Take a wider platter so that you can pour the sauce very well on each piece. Using a spoon, pour the sauce over them, as much as you like. This sauce is really a versatile one, very delicious. You can use it in many dishes. I love steamed chicken with this sauce as well, and even boiled vegetables. You pour the sauce over them and enjoy. They taste so good. You can even use it as a dip with cucumber and carrot strips. Now finally, sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on top, and delicious snack or a side dish is ready. You can also serve it on the side along with roasted chicken or fish or a bowl of soup. Check out that crunchy texture. So yummy. So easy to make and very yummy. Do give it a try. Thank you for watching, and you have some videos here from the archives. You can check them out as well. Bye until next. Take care.